Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashua, we have our 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve, and this one has the 5.7 liter Hemi V8. It also has every single option you could have put on this car from the factory. It was custom ordered with every single box checked, including the factory PPF, the infrared, night vision. Oh, this thing is absolutely incredible. Take a look back here. Macintosh sound system is incredible. So jack, stuff like that. Third row seating. Oh, yep, Jeep, you're all over here. Check out the back seats. We've got the headrests, the remote, all for all the settings back here. Heated, cooled seats. You do have sunshades for each and every back seat passenger. Massaging seats, cooled seats, heated seats, everything you would need. I do like this song, so I'm going to... I wish that changed to a play button so I know when I actually paused it. Do have suede headliner, virtual rear view mirror, which let me see if when I do this, well, it sprays the camera, it doesn't really clean it. Well, actually, it somewhat does. Your night vision, I have up here. Access it, you just go for this and you hold OK. You can change to the analog cluster. Heads-up display, full leather everywhere, exposed wood trim. This is an $85,000 sticker price on a Grand Cherokee, which I haven't seen this side of a Trackhawk. But I mean, I don't know if that's factory or not. I don't think it's factory, but I wouldn't be surprised with Dodge if it was. Do have a bunch of different apps that you can add into here, your favorites, all your different categories, so I can customize all the ambient lighting. Not a bunch of colors there, but you do have some. I want the, yes, there it is. So you have the Macintosh app, which will sit there and show you your output level, essentially as if it was a Macintosh home stereo. It's a little gimmicky and you're not really, shouldn't be watching it while driving, but it's cool nonetheless. On a road trip, if you're in Arizona and you got the hands-free driving or partial hands-free, you can kind of glance at it, which is pretty cool. So we can have throw the night vision up. This has actually been really darn cool. At night, it will, if it detects a person, an animal, it will highlight it in yellow and say, hey, there's something there. It's not as distracting as you might think because you just kind of glance down as if you're checking your speed. And then if you actually want to check your speed, it's up top in the heads-up display, as well as up top here. You do have a passenger screen, which is tinted, so the driver, I can barely see that. It's absolutely not at all distracting. I can't sit there and read it. And plus, anything that's there, I can see here. Without further ado, I want to go back to media. Open this up. All right, bunch of different parking cameras. This does have hands-free parking as well, but you have just anything. You have anything you want. That's pretty darn cool. Let's go for a drive. I'm in sport mode. This has air suspension. In sport mode, it's going to drop it down to the aero ride height. You can obviously adjust it however you want. So what are my thoughts on this? It's a phenomenal car. I have never driven, other than Trackhawk, your SRT, Grand Cherokees. This is kind of a different animal. If you ever drove a Durango RT with the 5.7 and said, yeah, it's nice, but for, you know, this price point, I want a lot more luxury. This, I think, it wasn't meant to be a performance SUV like the SRT and the Trackhawk. It's supposed to be one of the most luxurious SUVs, and it's absolutely done that. Well, the 5.7 here has a phenomenal sound. Everybody loves the V8, except for anybody in California that has to pay gas, and any human being that has to pay gas bills. But we love the sound of a V8. It's here. But what's also here is the torque and the power delivery of an NA 5.7 V8. This was all slick as can be, so we'll see how this goes. I'm not gonna push it, but in sport mode, it'll hold gears really well. ZF 8-speed automatic is a known entity in this. They're known to be good. Like I said, you can't go into this saying, oh, it's a performance Grand Cherokee. It's not. Okay, that's ice. What's nice is when you use the windshield washers, it does clean the infrared camera. I was curious about that. And yes, it is night vision, but it works in the daytime just as well. It's all heat based, so it's kind of cool. You can see if a semi truck in front of you has a locked up wheel bearing, because one wheel will be glowing white. That has happened. It's pretty funny. I've also kind of used it, you can use it when the roads are slick as well. If there's patches that are frozen, it will show you it's a much darker patch. You can kind of, I don't know if you can see here, but it's a darker patch, and you can kind of see what's frozen and what's, like, these drain covers are much warmer. Air suspension is a love it or hate it thing. I don't think it's any dramatically smoother than a coil. In fact, I think it's actually a little bit rougher, but I would be kind of terrified long-term reliability. That's what warranties are for. Oh, the other thing, I forgot to mention this. I knew there was something I was forgetting to mention. I've noticed this not just with this one, with other Grand Cherokee and Grand Cherokee L's with the Macintosh sound system. When you're connected to Bluetooth, holy crap, okay, that's slippery. The stereo doesn't get as loud. At max volume, it is like noticeably quieter than Sirius XM at full volume. Sirius XM, I can't listen to it full volume because it actually starts to hurt. Bluetooth, I had it cranked pretty much the entire time. It's still loud, and this system is incredible. But it wasn't like, you could tell, that you absolutely can tell a difference. That is odd, and I tried connecting to Android Auto because this has wireless Android Auto. No difference. So that is a very little weird thing that I noticed, but now I'm nitpicking, and it doesn't really matter to the whole experience. Okay, this is straight. Woohoo! Turn, thank you. I'm like riding the brake, letting off, trying to get the thing to turn in because it's all frozen. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.